So have you ever downloaded a file and struggled to find it later? By default, Windows 10 saves everything to downloads folder on the C drive. But if your C drive is filling up fast or you just want a different place to your file, then changing the download location can save you from a lot of headache. Today I'll show you how you can exactly change your default download location step by step easily, even if you are not that tech savvy. So let's get started. So first of all, open File Explorer. For that you have to click on folder icon on your taskbar to open File Explorer. Then go to Downloads folder. On the left side, right click on the downloads under this PC and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to Location tab and you will see current path where files are saved. You have to click Move and then choose a new folder where you want your future downloads to go. It can be in another drive or a new folder which you can create, and after that apply changes. And after selecting the new location, click select folder and then hit apply and then OK. Windows will ask if you want to move existing files too, and for that you can choose yes if you want your everything organized in one place. And by following these steps, all your future downloads will now land into new location you just picked. Now no need to do more hunting for just lost files or worrying about cleaning C drive. So if this video helped you clean your downloads and stay more organized, then drop a like and subscribe for more quick Windows tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.